In this step, we'll be replacing the seat. You want to make sure that if you have any extra accessories or wires, to keep them pressed down so they're not in the way of the seat. You just simply slide that slot under the bracket that holds the gas tank down. Slide it in. Make sure the back pieces clear the back plastics here. And simply screw in the final 2 screws in the back that hold the seat down. And you want to ensure that the seat's properly mounted down and will not slide about. You are done.